Hi everyone, hope you're all well. Welcome back to our channel, and in today's video we're diving into the world of web hosting with one of the most popular providers out there, Bluehost. Whether you're a seasoned website owner or just starting your online journey, Bluehost has a range of hosting solutions to suit your needs. Stick around as we explore the features, pricing, and customer support that makes Bluehost stand out from the crowd. If you're considering Bluehost for your website, this video is a must-watch. So let's get started. So let's talk a little bit about Bluehost. Bluehost is a web hosting company that was founded in 2003. It is one of the biggest and largest, most well-known web hosting providers in the world. Bluehost offers a range of web hosting services and tools to help individuals and businesses create and maintain their online presence. Some key features and services provided by Bluehost include web hosting. So they offer different kinds of hosting like shared hosting, VPS hosting, dedicated hosting, and cloud hosting services. Shared hosting is the most popular and affordable option for beginners and small websites, while VPS, dedicated, and cloud hosting cater to more advanced users with higher traffic or resource-intensive needs. Bluehost also allows users to search for and register domain names for their website. They offer a free domain name for the first year with the purchase of any one of their hosting plans. Bluehost also provides an easy-to-use website builder that enables users to create websites without any coding knowledge. It includes templates and drag-and-drop functionality to design web pages. Bluehost is officially recommended by WordPress.org and offers specialized hosting optimized for WordPress websites. They have one-click WordPress installation and automatic updates. Bluehost also provides email hosting services such as webmail access, email forwarding, and autoresponders. And they offer various security features, including SSL backups, domain privacy protection certificates, and more. All of this helps websites protect themselves from threats. Bluehost also offers 24/7 customer support via phone, live chat, and email. They have a large knowledge base with tutorials and articles to help troubleshoot common issues. What's also really good about Bluehost is that they offer a 30-day money-back guarantee, meaning that you can request a refund if you're not satisfied with the service. So you have about a full month to really test out Bluehost hosting service and see if it's right for you. So let's talk about some of their pricing. As I mentioned before, they offer different types of hosting, including shared, VPS, dedicated, and cloud hosting. If you go onto the website bluehost.com, you can see that they have the different website hosting here, and they have different plans for each of the types of hosting that they offer. So here's an overview of their most popular plans, which is their shared hosting plans. This starts off as the basic plan, and the basic plan is the most affordable option suitable for beginners and small websites. It includes hosting for one website and includes 10 GB SSD storage. You also have custom WordPress themes if you are a WordPress website as well. The pricing for this plan usually starts at around $233 a month. This is an introductory offer, and it then renews at the normal rate, which is about £8.69 a month as well. It's really important that you keep checking the prices, as these can be updated and new promotions can be added all the time. The Choice Plus plan offers a lot more resources and features than the basic plan. It includes hosting for unlimited websites, unmetered connection, you have the free domain for the first year, you have 40 GB SSD storage, and spam experts as well. The pricing for this plan again starts around £4.31 a month, but this is again an introductory offer. It then renews at the regular rate of £15 a month as well. Then you have the online store, and this is a great plan if you're wanting to set up an e-commerce website and start selling online as well. You get a lot more storage, free CDN, again you get the free domain for the first year, store analytics, exclusive store theme, and unlimited websites as well. And lastly, you have the Pro plan, and this is the highest tier plan with even more resources and features. It includes all of the benefits of the other plans, along with a dedicated IP address, and the pricing for this plan typically starts at around £22 a month, and it's right now they have a promotion for the first year at £11 a month only. So as mentioned before, the pricing that you see initially is usually the introductory offer for an initial term, and the regular renewal rates may be higher. So, but Bluehost also run promotions and discounts as well, so you might find different pricing during special sales events as well. Keep in mind that Bluehost does offer other types of hosting like VPS, dedicated, and cloud hosting, which have different pricing structures based on the resources and features they provide. So now let's talk a little bit about their customer support, as Bluehost is known for providing really reliable and responsive customer support to its users. They offer several channels through which customers can reach their support team for assistance, and here's an overview of their customer support. So they have 24/7 support availability. So Bluehost offers round-the-clock customer support, meaning you can contact them at any time during day or night, 7 days a week. And the availability is particularly important for website owners who may encounter issues outside of their regular business hours. Bluehost provides a toll-free phone number that allows customers to speak directly with their support representatives. This option is ideal for urgent matters that require immediate attention, or if you prefer direct communication. Bluehost also offers a live chat feature on the website, enabling users to chat in real time with a support agent. Live chat is convenient for quick questions or troubleshooting assistance without the need for a phone call. Customers can also contact Bluehost's support team through email. While this method may not be immediate responses like phone or live chat, it does allow users to explain their issues in a little bit more detail and receive a written response. So Bluehost's website themselves maintain an extensive knowledge base and help center with a wide range of articles, tutorials, and guides. This self-help resource covers various topics related to hosting, website management, domain management, and lots more. In addition to written documentation, Bluehost offers video tutorials that visually guides users through various processes, making it easier for visual learners to understand and follow along. And Bluehost is present on social media platforms as well, which can be another way to get in touch with them or stay updated on announcements and news. Bluehost customer service is generally well regarded for its helpfulness and responsiveness, but as with any large hosting company, the quality of support may vary based on the complexity of the issue and the individual support agent you interact with. So Bluehost, like any web hosting provider, has its own set of pros and cons. Here are some key advantages and drawbacks of using Bluehost. For one of the pros, the main one being its reputation and reliability. So Bluehost is a well-established hosting company with a solid reputation. They host millions of websites, which speaks to their reliability and stability. Bluehost is one of the few hosting providers officially recommended by WordPress. Their hosting plans are optimized for WordPress, making it a popular choice for WordPress users. Bluehost offers an easy-to-use control panel and a simple website builder, making it beginner-friendly for those who are new to website hosting and management. Bluehost also strives to provide good uptime for websites, ensuring that they are accessible to visitors most of the time. Bluehost offers a free domain name for the first year with the purchase of a hosting plan, and they also provide free SSL certificates to secure your website. Bluehost also offers round-the-clock customer support through various channels, including phone, live chat, and email. And Bluehost also offers various hosting plans, allowing users to easily upgrade their hosting resources as their website grows. Bluehost offers a 30-day money-back guarantee, giving users the opportunity to try their services risk-free. And here are some of the cons. The main one that we've seen before is their renewal rates. So this is very common with other hosting providers as well, but Bluehost's renewal rate can be higher than the introductory rates, and customers might experience a price increase when renewing their hosting plans. Some users have reported encountering upselling attempts during the sign-up process or when contacting customer support. And Bluehost charges a fee for website migration. So if you want to transfer an existing website from one hosting provider to another, there will be fees for that as well. So if you go for the shared hosting plans, while it is affordable, it comes with resource limitations, just like with other shared hosting plans. If your website experiences significant traffic or resource demands, you may need to upgrade to a higher tier plan, which can increase the costs as well. For their basic plan, Bluehost's shared plan requires a minimum commitment of 1 year, and the monthly billing is not available for this plan. And as of now, Bluehost servers were located in the United States. For websites targeting international audiences, this might result in slightly longer loading times for users in other regions. It's always good to thoroughly research and compare hosting providers before making decisions, and you want to consider factors like the hosting features, types of hosting features, pricing, customer support, and overall performance to find the best fit for your website. So what are some alternatives to Bluehost? There are several web hosting providers that serve as alternatives to Bluehost, but the best choice depends on your specific needs, budgets, and the type of hosting you require. But here are some popular ones compared to Bluehost. First up, you have SiteGround, and SiteGround is a highly regarded hosting provider known for its excellent performance, reliable customer support, and user-friendly interface. They offer various hosting options, including shared hosting, cloud hosting, and dedicated hosting. SiteGround is also an officially recommended hosting provider by WordPress.org as well. Next up, we have HostGator, and HostGator is another well-known hosting company that offers a wide range of hosting services, including shared hosting, VPS hosting, and dedicated hosting as well. They provide competitive pricing and decent customer support. Next up, we have DreamHost, and DreamHost is known for its commitment to privacy and open source software. They offer shared hosting, managed WordPress hosting, and cloud hosting. DreamHost is also an officially recommended WordPress hosting provider as well. Lastly, we have Hostinger, and Hostinger is a budget-friendly hosting provider that offers shared hosting, cloud hosting, and VPS hosting, and they're known for low-cost plans as well as good performance. Remember to consider your specific requirements, such as the type of hosting, resource needs, customer support, and pricing before selecting an alternative to Bluehost. Take advantage of trial periods, money-back guarantees, and reviews to assess the hosting provider's suitability for your website. And that wraps up our exploration of Bluehost, the hosting powerhouse. From the user-friendly interface and WordPress optimization to their reliable support team, it's no wonder why so many people choose Bluehost for their websites. If you're interested in giving Bluehost a try, check out the link in the description below for a link. If you enjoyed this video and find it helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. If there's any other hosting providers that you want us to try and give us a recommendation, then let us know by leaving a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Happy hosting!